students, welcome to 5th class and subject is social studies. This is the part 2 of chapter number 2. Now start the next topic, that is continents and oceans. Now students, see the map. Here some land portion is shown here. This one is the land. See here, I am going to mark the circle here, the land area. Okay, and rest of the blue color shows the water area. Green color land and blue color water area. It means on our earth surface there are some major landforms. The major landforms are called continents, and the water bodies, they are known as oceans or seas. Let's discuss the major oceans and major continents. First of all, we will start the continents. See the world map. This is also given in your book. Must go through the book also, students, okay, and watch the video till the end. Let's discuss the continents. Here, see the different continents. I have marked them. See the North America, South America. See the cursor very carefully, students. There will be a map activity. You have to do the map and paste this map in your notebook. Okay, first of all, take a map of world political map ले लो or physical map you can have either, and you have to locate these continents. Okay, North America, South America, Africa, Europe. This one is the Europe. See the cursor, and this one the biggest one, the Asia. This is the Australia and Antarctica. So overall we are having 7 continents. Now see the explanation of each one in a detail. First of all, we will discuss about the biggest or the largest continent, that is the Asia. Actually continents are big landmass, and here the 7 continents in the world. First of all, the Asia is the biggest one, the largest one. See here, this is the Asia continent. Here the Ural mountain range. Here the mountain range is there. एक Ural mountains है, उनका name है, mountain range है. और दूसरा क्या है, यहाँ पे कैस्पियन सी है, छोटा सा ये कैस्पियन सी बना हुआ है. ये दोनों चीजें नेचुरल बाउंड्री है एशिया को यूरोप से डिफरेंट सेपरेट करती है. सो देयर आर यूरल माउंटेन्स एंड कैस्पियन सी which separates Asia from the Europe. So remember this thing, okay? And this Asia continent lies in the northern hemisphere. You know, students, the world's highest mountains, Himalayas, and highest ranges are here, that is Mount Everest. And the world's most populous, जिसकी population सबसे ज़्यादा, most populous country China भी इसी continent में. So this is a very special continent. And the most special feature is India is also here in the Asian continent. Let's move to the next continent. This is the Africa continent. Okay, this Africa continent, see it very carefully. This continent is the second largest continent. There are 3 important latitudes. See the latitude. This is the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. These major latitudes lies in the Africa. अफ्रीका की सबसे स्पेशल फीचर है कि तीनों लैटिट्यूड इसी कॉन्टिनेंट में है. और सबसे बड़ी बात, जो हमारी मेरिडियन है, लॉन्गिट्यूड है, 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड, यहाँ से पास हो रहा है इंग्लैंड से, यहाँ से बिल्कुल सीधा. तो इस एरिया में, इस कॉन्टिनेंट में तीनों लैटिट्यूड और एक 0 डिग्री हमारी प्राइम मेरिडियन इस एरिया से पास हो रही है. बट स्टूडेंट्स, दिस कॉन्टिनेंट इज नोन एज डार्क कॉन्टिनेंट. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड द डार्क कॉन्टिनेंट? Because most parts of the Africa were unknown to the world till the beginning of 19th century. 19th century तक इसके बहुत सारे एरियाज पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए अनफेमिलियर थे. सो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, डार्क कॉन्टिनेंट बोलते हैं. और इसका और बड़ा फीचर क्या है, सी द कर्सर. अफ्रीका इसके अपर पार्ट में, नॉर्दर्न पार्ट में, यहाँ पे पूरे वर्ल्ड का सबसे लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट है, दैट इज सहारा डेजर्ट. Now move to the next. This is North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent. It was discovered in the 15th century and lies in the northern hemisphere. The Rocky Mountains lie along the western coast of North America. Here the Rocky Mountains are here. Okay. Now move to the next continent. This is the South America. South America, it is having another name. इसका कोई दूसरा name है, that is Latin America. Okay, student. I am asking the question. Those who have listened the chapter very carefully, so they will answer me in the comment box. What is the other name of South America? Yes, this is Latin America. Okay, answer me in the comment box. I am waiting for your answers. Now students, move to the next continent. This is Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. It is remained covered with the ice throughout the year. ये पूरा frozen land है हमारा Antarctica और इसमें पूरा dark बना रहता है because sun rays are not reaching till each part of the Antarctica. Now let's move to the very important continent of the world, Australia. Australia is the next continent. It is also known as the island continent. So island continent भी बोलते हैं because it is surrounded by water from all sides. So Australia is the smallest continent, and it is both a continent as well as a country also. It was discovered in 1707 and lies in the southern hemisphere. This is the continent which lies in the southern hemisphere. Now let's discuss about the oceans. Ocean is the largest water bodies. Here the world map that shows the different oceans. Yes students, 5 oceans are here. First of all, we will see the Pacific Ocean. Pacific is on the both sides because Earth is round. When you are going to fold this map, you are going to make it round. You will find this Pacific is on both sides. Okay, Pacific Ocean. Second one is the Atlantic Ocean. This is the busiest ocean. Then Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Now students, let's solve the back exercise, a very important topic. You are suggested to do this back exercise neatly on your fair notebooks. Okay students, and don't delay it. Side by side regularly you should do your work. Now let's start the MCQs. The first MCQ is the percentage of land and water on the earth surface is 71% and 29%. Okay students, remember. So those who have listened the video very carefully, those who are very good and intelligent students, they will must post their answer in the comment box. Okay, what is the percentage? That is 71% water, 29% land. Second one, the second largest continent is answer Africa. The busiest ocean, yes students, I just have discussed, that is Atlantic Ocean. Then number 4, how many total continents are there? Yes, this is very important and easy to all. Total 7 continents. Answer me in the comment box of this also. Next one, number 5, the equator divides the continents into almost 2 equal parts, that is Africa. So these were the MCQs. Now let's move to the fill-ups. Students, I have solved the fill-ups. Okay, from seeing this and listening the video, you are suggested to do the work on the fair notebook. Okay, don't have any mistake. Watch the video repeatedly and watch the video till the end. The very first one blank is dash is called the dark continent, that is Africa. Second one, dash is the largest country of the South America, that is Brazil. Third one, dash is an island continent, Australia. Number 4, dash is a European island country, that is Great Britain. Students, Great Britain is also known as UK, United Kingdom, or England. The very last one is 5th. Dash is the representation of the earth's surface. This is map. So now move to the true false. Greenland is a continent. False. Andes is the highest peak in the world. Oh, it is also false. Highest peak, you know, Mount Everest. The equator and the tropic passes through the Asia. False. The easier to carry a map than a globe. Yes, True. And Atlas is a book of maps? Yes, this is also true. Now move to the match words. Match the columns, students. Very carefully watch and listen the video. Okay. See the cursor. Whatever I am showing you, please observe it very carefully. Column A we have to match with column B. Okay. Number 1 is Europe. Europe is a continent. Scale means scale is the distance. Yellow depicts the desert. Water body, Atlantic is a water body. Brazil, that is in South America. Now come to the writing zone, the question answer, the very important question answers. You have to learn as well as write these question answer on the fair notebook. I already have solved the answer for you. The very first answer, what is scale? Answer, a scale is the ratio between the distance on the map and their actual distance on the ground. And the second point, the scale of a map is often shown as a line with the distance marked on it. Number third, 1:1 lakh means 1 unit on the map is equal to the 1 lakh units on the ground. Students, here no unit is mentioned means there may be centimeter, there may be meter or kilometer, कुछ भी आ सकता है, तो आप इसको unit ही लिखोगे, centimeter, meter अपनी तरफ से नहीं लगाओगे. See the second answer, name the, yes, these are the continents, name the important continent, major continents, they are 7 in number, and you have to mention these continents in the ascending order. First of all, you have to mention the smallest one, then large, then largest. Okay. So we will start from the very smallest: Australia, Europe, Antarctica, South America, North America, Africa, and Asia, the largest one. Now see the third answer. How many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans in the world. Number 1, the Pacific Ocean. Number 2, the Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, the Indian Ocean. Number 4, Antarctic Ocean, and 5 is the Arctic Ocean. Okay. Then let's discuss a very important number 4 question. This question may come as a 5-mark question in the exams. Okay. So learn it very carefully. The different colors represents in the map which depict the different landforms. For example, ocean, seas, rivers, lake, etc. They are shown in blue color. Dark blue color shows the deep water and light blue color shows the shallow water. High mountains are shown in a dark brown and low mountains and plateaus both are shown in the light brown color. Okay. Yellow shows the desert area and plains and lowlands are shown with the green color. So student, these were the question answers. Hope you have understood the concept and the whole chapter. Thanks for staying here, and please listen the video again and again. Try to solve the question answers by yourself also and prepare your notebooks. Okay student, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you students, stay fit and fine till the next video. Till that, goodbye.